Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, June 20th, and I just feel so much better today. I did a little, y'all saw me yesterday. I did a little blurb, the hours and legit minutes leading up to launch. I was a nervous wreck, have not slept all day, but today I woke up, I went to the spa, I got my hair done. Okay, my birthday is on Sunday, so I just feel so good. I just feel good. I just feel like my birthday gift to myself was launching a brand, and that's no easy feat, you know what I'm saying? So I just feel so good. We have a couple things that we are about to get done today. So the first thing is I did receive my first order. Y'all, I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy. I did receive my first order, so we're gonna do like a pack with me. So I'm gonna take you guys along on me packing up my first order. I will be shipping that out tomorrow. And then also we are currently in my design studio. Okay, as you can see, my display walls are bare. We're gonna do a little merchandising, so that then when I film all the rest of my videos, there's like a pretty background in the back, you know what I mean? If y'all have not had the opportunity to check out my website, please go to shop brittanychristina.com right now so that you can check out my collection that I just dropped. And this is just the first drop, y'all. We got some heat coming. That's why I just wanted to just get through this, because this isn't even like I feel like the big ideas that I'm launching, but this is light work compared to what I got coming down the line, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just so excited. I feel good. I feel much better than yesterday. I think, you know, entrepreneurship is just full of just a whole bunch of, I've been on an emotional roller coaster all week, but it's good. It's good. So it just has to work. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. It looks really good. Yeah, y'all want a sneak peek at, don't look at my Christmas stuff. I'm so excited to launch my Christmas stuff, y'all. I'm so excited. But this is my storage area where I have my inventory. Again, this is focused on me, so you can't really see it. It's blurred out, but that's fine. It's fine that it's blurred out. But yeah, this is my design studio. And I have, well, y'all just seeing one half. The other half, this whole closet is full of storage. So I am just, everything is coming together. I still have a little bit of tweaks to finish up the room. So once I get everything in place, I will do an official design studio tour. This is the last room in my home that I just have not finished, but it was probably for a purpose. Like, if I do not have a vision for something, I cannot act on it. I cannot execute, period. And so I guess God knew what this room was gonna be for. So I'm super excited. I already know, you know, I'm operating as a small business right now, but I'm already legit preparing and looking for warehouses, because I feel like next year I'm gonna need a warehouse. I'm not gonna be able to do the home thing anymore. So, but so far I'm excited, y'all. We are back, y'all. We are back. I'm so excited. It's been too long. It's been legit 5 years since I have been operating in my boss girl era, and I'm just so excited to be back in my boss girl era. So yeah, okay, so let's there's a couple things that we have to do. I need to tag all of my products, and then I also need to package up an order. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, y'all, so I am excited. We are getting ready to ship or pack my very first order. I wanted to do the very first order on camera, and then I'll speed through the rest just so that y'all can see how I ship my products. But I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'll walk through kind of like the different elements that I have to my packaging, and then I'll put it together. So what we actually have on the table. So number one, I have the actual item that they purchased, but I'll go through the item last. So number one, what I have on the table is packing slip. I'll flash it. So I do have a packing slip. I have the label. And I do have a label printer, which I got and I was so excited to use for the first time. So I have my label printer. I have this is the plastic bag that I put my item in. We also have the tag, which I need to go and add the tag. So y'all, I feel like y'all can't really see this, but I'm gonna bring you closer, but we'll just, yeah. So I have the tag. I need to go ahead and tag the item. I also have the gun so that I can attach the tag. We have our special gift that is going to go into every free purchase. I have then the poly mailer that will go in every purchase. I also have insert cards, y'all. Well, we'll do this later, but I have insert cards here. I have, oh goodness, these are more tags, and then I have stickers. Is that everything? Ooh, that feels like a lot. So yeah, so that's everything. So let's go ahead and put this together. Oh, and then of course, I have the product. So let's go ahead and put everything together, and I'll do a voiceover for the rest of it.